In this video we can examine the pros and cons of pizza recipe in detail. Pizza is a beloved and popular dish enjoyed by people all over the world. While there are numerous variations and recipes for pizza, let's discuss the general pros and cons of making and consuming pizza. First, we can examine the pros of pizza recipe. Versatility. Pizza is incredibly versatile, allowing you to experiment with a wide range of toppings, sauces, cheeses, and crust styles. You can customize it according to your preferences, dietary restrictions, or cultural influences. Pizza offers a delicious combination of flavors, textures, and aromas. The combination of ingredients like cheese, tomato sauce, herbs, vegetables, and meats can create a mouth-watering experience. Social food. Pizza is often enjoyed in a social setting, making it a great dish for parties, gatherings, or casual get-togethers. It brings people together and can be shared among a group, fostering a sense of community. Quick and easy. Making pizza from scratch can be relatively quick and straightforward, especially if you use store-bought dough or pre-made crusts. It's a convenient option for a weeknight meal or when you want to prepare something fast. Homemade and healthy options. When making pizza at home, you have control over the ingredients, allowing you to create a healthier version. You can opt for whole wheat or gluten-free crusts, use lean proteins, load up on veggies, and control the amount of cheese and sauce. Leftover potential. Pizza leftovers can be just as enjoyable as the fresh slices. They can be refrigerated or frozen for future consumption, making it a convenient option for meal planning or quick snacks. Now we can check the cons of pizza recipe. While pizza can be a versatile and healthy option, it can also be high in calories, saturated fats, sodium, and refined carbohydrates. Certain toppings like processed meats or excessive cheese can contribute to an unhealthy diet if consumed in large quantities. Lack of balance. Pizza alone might not provide a well-rounded meal, as it often lacks certain essential nutrients like fiber and a variety of vegetables. It's important to pair it with a side salad or other nutritious elements to ensure a balanced diet. Time and effort. While making pizza at home can be quick and easy, preparing everything from scratch, including the dough and sauce, can be time-consuming. The process of kneading, resting the dough, and assembling the toppings can require some effort and patience. Equipment and skill. Achieving the perfect pizza crust may require specialized equipment like a pizza stone or a pizza oven, which may not be readily available in every kitchen. Additionally, shaping the dough and achieving the desired thickness and texture might require some practice and skill. Overindulgence. Pizza can be addictive and easy to overeat due to its deliciousness and convenience. This can lead to weight gain and other health issues if portion sizes are not controlled. Cost. Depending on the quality of ingredients, pizza can be a costly dish, especially if you opt for gourmet toppings or artisanal cheeses. This may not make it a budget-friendly option for everyone. In summary, while pizza offers a range of benefits such as versatility, great flavors, and social appeal, it's important to be mindful of portion sizes, ingredients, and the overall nutritional balance to ensure it fits within a healthy lifestyle. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel. See you with another video. Bye.